Hi Rohit, welcome to this feedback session. How are you doing today?
Yes, sir. Fine. How are you?
I am also doing good, thank you. So, could you please help us understand like which all courses you have enrolled here in I-Medita and how was your overall experience while doing those courses?
No, I completed CCNA routing switching, that old version also and new version also. With that, after CCNP and CCNA Security also I completed. And really, that all teachers and all instructors are very helpful. That lab confessions, they will help me every time, and they give one so many different tasks for motivate to the complete my course and do that certification clearly.
Great. So you enrolled for online training or physical classroom training?
No, physical classroom training.
Great. Could you please tell us about yourself and your background into the IT industry? Are you a beginner or an experienced candidate?
Yes, my name is Rohit Mahajan. I completed BCA. Now I'm pursuing MCA. Before MCA, I complete my CCNA course, routing switching, and then I completed CCNP routing switching. Then I completed CCNA security from I-Medita only, and after that, I place as help of these courses and help of CCNA certificate. I place on the Desinova company, and that one is very helpful. That certificate is very helpful for organizations, and it's valuable for me actually. That it's really valuable for me because in that time, it's certificate is needed in that.
Currently, you're working with which organization?
Currently, I'm working in the
Okay.
Desinova Digital Private Limited.
So how did you first hear about our courses? You when you started with CCNA training, how did you got to know about I-Medita? There are many institutions across the globe in Pune, in India. So what was the reason you finalized I-Medita only for your training?
In that time, I didn't decided by this course or classes, networking field or anything. But my one of my friend, he was studying here, and he told me he took one course in our college for training purpose. I joined that and I love that trainings and everything and networking field. So I decided and I asked him where you are learning all these things and how can I enroll for these things. And he suggested me that I-Medita, and then I started my course journey for in the I-Medita.
Great. So how was your overall experience? If you have the opportunity to rate our training, services, study material, everything on a scale of 10, what kind of rating would you give to our training services?
Yeah, training for training services, for teaching and giving the experience and giving help for the all things means practical labs and everything. That one is a 10 out of 10.
Right. And would you recommend our courses and our training to your friends or to your network as well?
Yeah, yeah, so many friends I already suggested for these courses and this class because yeah, so many students they ask also me give which organization you complete these courses and everything, and I suggested already.
Great. Thank you. And could you please provide any suggestion from your end on how we can improve our training services in the future? Any suggestion from your end?
uh, for improvement, no sir, there's no improvement right now. Also, it's a really good means services for the students for teaching, and in if online also, I completed online CCNA new version. In
Okay,
that time also, it's a really good service.
great. So thank you, Rohit. Thank you for your time. We wish you all the very best for your upcoming learning, upcoming courses with us. And we wish you all the very best for your future success. We wish you all the very best for your upcoming learnings as well.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for your time. Have a good day.